羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指した
My name is Devon Josh M. Carlon, and today let's talk about the number systems conversion. But before that, let's talk about the possible base of each number system. So the first number system will be the binary. So binary is based of two digits, which will be 0 and 1. The meaning of 0 will be off, while the 1 is on. And the second number system will be octal. So octal is based of 8 possible digits, which is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that will include the 0. And the next number system will be decimal. So decimal is based of 10. So that will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So hexadecimal is based of 16. So the decimal here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well, the hexa is A is corresponds to 10, B is corresponds to 11, C is corresponds to 12, D is corresponds to 13, E is corresponds to 14, and the last is F corresponds to 15. So the first conversion that we're gonna do is the octal to binary. So our octal value will be 56 base of 8, and on how we can convert it into binary. So first is let's separate the octal value, which is 5 and 6. So and then after that we'll put 4 2 1. So how did we get 4 2 1? So to get 4 2 1, you just multiply 2 to the power of 0, which is 1, 2 to the power of 1, which is 2, and 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. So the sum of 5 will be 4 and 1. So let's put 1, and the other one will be 0, which is the empty one. Same as well as this one. So the sum of 6 will be 4 and 2, because 4 plus 2 will be 6. So let's put 1, and the empty one will be 0. So our octal so the octal will be 56, and the value of our binary will be 1 0 1 1 1 0 base of 2 to decimal. So our octal value here will be 370 base of 8. So the steps that we're gonna do is the 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2, by multiplying the value by the power, 8 to the powers. So 8 to the power of 0 will be 1, so 0 times 1 will be 0, so this is the answer. And then 8 to the power of 1 will be 8, so 7 times 8 will be 56, and then 8 to the power of 2 will be 64, and then 3 times 64 will be 192, and add them together, and that so that you will get the decimal value or the result. So 56 plus 192 will be 248 base of 10, and that's the conversion of octal to decimal. So the last conversion that we're gonna do is the octal to hexadecimal, and we have an octal value here, which is 312 base of 8. So let's separate them to get the hexadecimal value, and then put 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1. And after that, let's get the sum value. So that would be 3 2 and 1. Put 1 and 0, then 1 here, 1 0 0, then 2 1 0 0. And after that, let's rearrange them into 4. Zero is not included. So I already rearranged the binary value here, and then after that we just put 8 4 2 1. So this is the binary value of 302 base of 8, and to get the 8421, this is the simpler way. It is 2 to the power of 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the simpler way of it. And let's just sum up the number that has 1 on it. Be 8 plus 4, and then 8 plus 2. This will be 10, 12, and in hexadecimal, 10 corresponds to A, B corresponds to 11, C corresponds to 12, D corresponds to 13, E corresponds to 14, and last is F corresponds to 15. So our decimal value will be, hexadecimal value will be C and A base of 16.